Very good morning, friends. I'm Nandakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel. Today is 11th July, Friday. I'm analyzing the Nifty chart. Nifty, as expected, as anticipated, it had come down to the same level where it had made the low. That is on Friday. It has not touched the Friday's low, but it is little bit above the Friday's low. But finally closing near the low, 25,348. This is the weekly low. Suppose tomorrow, if it starts breaking below and closing below, then this is the area. I have marked this area. You can see this zone. In this zone, it can come and hit this zone, or 50% it can do that. 50% it will come to around 25,272. Let me take the tool, horizontal rail. Yeah. 25,272, around that. It can dip down. Why this level I'm mentioning is, I'll change the time frame to weekly. If I change the time frame to weekly, this is a fair value gap which is existing on the weekly time frame. So market may seek this dynamic liquidity. It can dip down to this liquidity. We need to see whether it is going to hold this level, 25,290. Today, it's if you see the pattern over here, market has tried to pull back this much and it is the down move. If there is any continuation of the down move, for example, let me measure this. Maybe another day of congestion. And then if we take this, it will come down to 25,272. That is around 78 points it is showing. And if it breaks below this level and closes below this level, we can anticipate for weakness in the market. Sometimes what the market will do, it will dip down and reverse. If it dips down and reverse, then it will be a very good thing because it will be holding the weekly levels. Let me enable my indicator so that it will plot. These are the daily levels and this is previous weekly level. Let me remove this dynamic liquidity zone and you can see this is the previous to previous breakout level. This level is the weekly level. Probably, suppose if it market dips down and immediately reverses, then it is a good thing. Closing, even though it dips down, closing inside this week's range is very poor. It becomes positive, then we can anticipate for reversal in the market towards the upside. But we need to carefully watch the price action because it is near the previous week's low. And market unable to go past the monthly high and also weekly high. Coming to the Bank Nifty is also posting the same thing and it has not broken down neither it has closed near the weekly low and weekly low is around 56,607 Today we need to carefully watch the price action, whether it is going to dip down or. So the levels to watch out for is 56,607 and 57,304 on the upper side. And previous weekly low is around 56,360 and current week low is just running only after Friday's close. We can decide the weekly levels. This is previous weekly level, that is around 56,607. So today it can, since it is a big bear bar on the daily time frame, if I change the daily time frame, you can see it as a, let me hide this indicator so that you can see properly. So it has come down, equal low, and if it starts moving down on daily basis, probably market can dip down to this level and reverse. Let us hope for that. Otherwise, if the market closes below, then it will enter into this zone. That is between, this is the swing. It can even come down to 24,944. That is a different question. That may be for today. These are the levels you need to mark down. And the VIX levels are daily low to be 25,200 and 25,510 are the immediate levels to watch out for. Okay, friends. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.